Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapoosh. It's a live after 40 event. I'm with Miss Boulevard. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So you are at an event with DJ Soul, man.
Yeah.
Why soul music?
Albo. Music sekis. Music abantu abathanda nayo, music on a piece. Yazi soul man. Noma ufuna ukucabanga kahle into zakho. You understand?
Yeah. You're right.
Into right.
Yeah. So as a DJ, now how many years a DJ?
Yo. 8 years, if I'm not mistaken, yeah.
How it's been like?
My up and down, yes, man, in the politiki.
Yeah.
But yeah, we soldier on, Sakuben.
Yeah. So today is a life after 40 event. How is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I feel I'm 40 plus.
Yes.
Ritual appeal.
I'm waiting for your set.
Obvious.
What time are you playing?
I'm playing at 10. Yeah.
Namhlanje siphetheleni because ngiyakwazi wena. Uyayishaya number by the way. You play very nice.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga. Ngizobona phambili.
Surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise set.
Yeah. I'm with Miss Boulevard. She's gonna be playing tonight. Good Life After 40. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Party Slayers. Also follow Miss Boulevard. I'm your host, Kosha aka Rap